So how can you use Wolfeye Remote Screen software for remote employees working from home? This is what I would like to talk about in this video. And the first thing that I have to tell you about this is the following. Wolfeye is a computer monitoring software that will allow you to see the live computer screen, the remote live computer screen, in stealth mode, so to speak, from remote computers that you install it. And here's the thing. If you are allowed to do that, depends on the country you're operating in, depends on the purpose that you want to do it. So for example, if the employees know that Wolfeye is installed, know that you will see, that you will watch their live computer screens, then it is in most countries, it is allowed. Also, you have to take into account privacy rules, privacy regulations. So what I want to tell you about this before you even think about installing Wolfeye Remote Screen on any of your business computers, please make sure that you are legally allowed to do it. It is prohibited to use Wolfeye against the law in an illegal way. That's illegal. So don't do that. Before you do it, depending on your country and depending on your use case, ask a lawyer, take legal advice. We do not give legal advice. This is a pure technical video here, a pure technical video. What it does, what Wolfeye does, the tutorial video, what Wolfeye does. And basically what it does is the following. You install Wolfeye on each of the computers that you want to see the live screen on. And after you install it, and I will show you in a minute, wait, it is running on this computer. Let me stop it. Let me stop it. Users, public documents, W, this is the installation path. I will stop it. And because I will show you in a minute how to install it. So after you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your computers, and please only install it on your computers, only install it if you informed your employees that you're monitoring them, you will get this dashboard, a link over the browser to this dashboard. This is a demo dashboard, that's why the password is displayed. So you log into the dashboard of Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you access this dashboard where you see for each of the computers that Wolfeye has been installed, you see the live computer screen of that particular computer. So for example, this is the live computer screen of this computer, this computer, this computer, and this computer. In this case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. What you see here is only a picture because this is a demo version. This is a demo dashboard. The aim of the demo dashboard wants to show you what you would get. And it's the live screen. In reality, you will see for each of the particular computers, you will see the live computer screen. Live computer screen means it's a screenshot made every 2 to 3 seconds. So every 2 seconds, you have a 2-second lag. Also, on the top of the side, you can change the columns so that you have bigger screens, or you can select 3 columns so you have an overview of more computer live screens. If you wanted to monitor or to take a closer look at one of the computers, you could always take a look at a big screen where you read live for this computer, right mouse click, open in a new tab, and you see you could monitor what exactly is being done on this particular computer in live. Here you only see a picture. And also Wolfeye allows you to make screenshots. This is optional only. This has to be enabled. It's disabled. This has to be enabled. But if you enable it, then you can access this history link by right mouse click and open in a new tab, and will see a screenshot history, so to speak. Every 10 minutes a screenshot is made and saved, or every 5 minutes or every 1 minute. You decide the interval, and can check and monitor what has been done over a period of time, let's say 1 or 2 days. So that's how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. And if you would like to test it by yourself, to try it on your computers to see how it works, then come to our website wolfeye.co, here in English, and click on 40 days free trial and book a demo session with me. It will be with me. So you select here your time zone, you select the date, You select the time. It's very important because we probably are in different time zones. So this will take into account that we are in different time zones. And we do a Google Meet session, a demo session with me. And basically what will happen there is, first of all, Wolfeye will be installed on my computer, and I will share, I will give you the access to my dashboard for Wolfeye Remote Screen, so that you exactly know, not only here in this demo link that I showed you, demo dashboard, but in live, what you will get. So you will see my computer live screen. Yeah, exactly know how it works. And also, if you would like to test it, I will give you the download link to Wolfeye, and will guide you through the installation process using a Google Meet. Google Meet allows you to share your screen. I can see and guide you, and this guidance will enable you to install it within a minute on each of your remaining computers, because it's really, really, really easy to install Wolfeye Remote Screen. Basically, how it is installed. So wolfeye.co, come to our website and schedule a Google Meet session. How it is done is the following. I give you the download link, and you will download this setup file for Wolfeye. This is what I will guide you through. It's very easy. You will see it. You only must double click it, and the installation wizard opens for Wolfeye Remote Screen. Only thing you have to do is hit on this install button, and it is installed. And to finish it, you hit on this finish button, and it runs Wolfeye. And now you have to set it up by hitting two buttons. The first button is this green button that says share screen. You hit it, it turns red, and you're already sharing the screen. And the next button is the stealth mode button that will hide the software so that it goes to the background. You hit it, it goes to the background, but you will be able to monitor the screen. Yeah. And the installation path for Wolfeye is C, users, public documents. And here Wolfeye creates a folder named W. And here, this is the application where you find the application. So that's how it works, basically. Come to our website and schedule a Google Meet session so that I can do a quick demo for Wolfeye Remote Screen. And maybe we install it on one or two of your computers so you can try it and test it for a few days. See you in the next video.